Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor at Sudhakar Naik Institute of Pharmacy, Pusat. Friends, today we will study two drugs. They are the Artemisia and Taxus. Both are the popular drugs. Artemisia, it is popular drug for the treatment of malaria, and these Taxus, there are the different varieties of the Taxus, and it is used for the treatment of cancer as an cytotoxic drug. So this is the plant of the Artemisia along with the fruits and the flowers, and this is the plant of Artemisia which is shown in this picture. So this is Artemisia and this is the plant of the Taxus. Different varieties are used of the Taxus, and depending upon that variety, the particular morphological part of that plant, it is used as a drug. So friends, let us start with the first drug, that is the Artemisia. So this is the picture of the Artemisia, the plant of the Artemisia, one of the important plant. Nowadays it is used widely for the treatment of the cerebral malaria or for the treatment of dengue. Synonym, the quinchao, it is also called as the sweet anise, or it is also called as the worm seed, because previously it is used for the treatment of the worm infestation. So the synonym is wormweed. It is grown as an wild plant, as an weed. So wormweed, quinchao or sweet anise. Biological source, it consists of the Chinese traditional herb Artemisia annua. Artemisia annua belonging to family Asteraceae. It should not contain less than 0.8% of the artemisinin. So the biological source, it consists of the Chinese traditional herb Artemisia annua belonging to family Asteraceae. Geographical source, it is endemic to China. So mostly it is present in China as an weed, as an wild plant. So it is endemic to China and grows wild in Europe and America. It is cultivated in Vietnam, China, Iran, Turkey and Australia also. So the synonym is quinchao, sweet anise, wormweed. Biological source, it consists of the Chinese traditional herb Artemisia annua belonging to family Asteraceae. Morphological characteristic, in the picture you can see this is the plant of the Artemisia. So it is an annual herb, zero point 0.7 to 1.75 meter in height with deeply grooved branches. The branches, they are the deeply grooved. Then the leaves are the bipinnate, that is the leaves are the compound leaf. The leaves in this picture you can see that the leaves which are present, they are the compound leaf. They are dark green in color. The aroma is strong and it is bitter in taste. The size of the leaf, in this picture you can see that the size of the leaf, it is 0.25 to 0.5 centimeter in width, 5 to 7 centimeter in length, 1 to 2 pinnately divided into lanceolate. The leaf shape of the leaf, that is the leaflets which are present, they are the lanceolate oblong deeply cut segments, and it is subglobous. The shape, it is a subglobular in shape, subglobous in shape, and it is the green in color. Chemical constituents, as the name indicate Artemisia, the active chemical constituent which is present in case of the Artemisia, that is called as the artemisinin. The artemisinin, along with the artemisinin, it also contains deoxyartemisinin, artemisinic acid, arteanoic A, anoin A and B are the other chemical constituents which are present. So chiefly it contains artemisinin. Along with artemisinin, deoxyartemisinin, artemisinic acid, arteanoic A and B are the other chemical constituents which are present in case of the Artemisia. Amyrine, luteolin, beta-sitosterol, stigmasterol are also reported in the drug. Unlike other known antimalarials, artemisinin does not contain heterocyclic ring with nitrogen. In case of the other antimalarial such as the chloroquine, it contain the heterocyclic ring along with the nitrogen. In this case, though it is used as an antimalarial, but the artemisinin does not contain the heterocyclic ring with nitrogen. It also contains the volatile oil. The amount of the volatile oil which is present, that is 0.3 to 0.4%, with artemisia alcohol, artemisia ketone, camphor, caryophyllene, mycirine are also present in the drug. So the main chemical constant which is present in case of the artemisia, that is the artemisinin. Uses: artemisinin and its derivative have been used for the treatment of malaria. It is used for the treatment of malaria and parasitic worm, that is for the treatment of helminthiasis infection. So the artemisinin and its derivative, they are used for the treatment of malaria and for the treatment of parasitic worms. They have an advantage over other drugs in having an ability to kill faster and kill all the life cycle stages of the parasite, of the malarial parasite. So they can kill the malarial parasite at any life cycle stage. Used for the treatment of chloroquine resistant malarial parasite. So it is used for the treatment of chloroquine resistance. The malarial parasites which are resistant to chloroquine, it is used for the treatment. Its cytotoxic, anti-HIV and anti-inflammatory activity has also been reported. So the artemisinin, it is used for the treatment of malaria. It is widely used for the treatment of the malaria which is resistance to the other drug, and also for the treatment of the dengue. It is used widely nowadays. So the synonym for the artemisia: quinchao, sweet anise, wormweed. Biological source: obtained from the Chinese traditional herb Artemisia annua belonging to family Asteraceae. Chemical constituent: chiefly it contains artemisinin. Along with the artemisinin, it also contains deoxyartemisinin, artemisinic acid, arteanoin A and B. Uses: it is used as an antimalarial, antihelminthic. Its cytotoxic, anti-HIV, anti-inflammatory activity has also been reported. Especially it is used for the treatment of chloroquine resistant malarial parasite and for the treatment of dengue. Next drug, it is the taxus. So this is the picture of the taxus. In this you can see the plant of the taxus, the plants of the taxus, and the flower can also be, flower and the fruits of the taxus can also be seen in this picture. So the taxus synonym is, it is called as the yew. It is also called as the Talis patra, Himalayan yew, or it is also called as the birmi. So synonym is yew, Talis patra, or Himalayan yew, or it is also called as the birmi. Biological source: taxus is obtained from the dried leaves, barks and the roots of the various species of taxus. So it is obtained from the dried leaves, bark and roots of the various species of taxus belonging to family Taxaceae. So it is obtained from the various species of the taxus belonging to family Taxaceae. So different varieties of the taxus or the important species with parts used are Taxus baccata. It is called as the English or European yew. In this case, the leaves are used. Taxus brevifolia, that is Pacific yew, mainly stem bark is used. Taxus canadensis, that is Canadian or American yew, leaves and the roots are used. Taxus cuspidate, that is Japanese yew, the leaves are used. And Taxus valicinia. In this way, the different varieties of the taxus, they are used, and depending upon the variety, the morphological part such as the leaves, stem bark, leaves and roots, and the leaves are used. It contain, or it should contain, not less than 0.04% of the paclitaxel, that is called as the Taxol. Calculate on dried basis. So the different species of the Taxus, they are the Taxus baccata, Taxus brevifolia, Taxus canadensis, Taxus cuspidate, and Taxus vallicenia. Geographical source, it is very slow growing evergreen gymnospermous tree found in India, Canada, and it is reported in temperate Himalayan region of India up to an altitude of 2000 meter. Morphological characteristic, the leaves, they are dark green in color, taste is bitter, size 1 to 3 centimeter by 1 to 2 centimeter in length, shape, the leaves, they are the lanceolate, flat, leaves are arranged spirally on the stem, leaf bases are twisted to align the leaves into a flat rows on either side of the same except on erect leading shoot. So the leaves, they will cover the stem. The leaf, they will cover the stem. So the leaves bases, they are the twisted to align the leaves into two flat rows on either side of the stem, but it does not cover to the shoot. Bark, it is thin and scaly brown. Seed cones, each contain one seed which is 4 to 7 mm surrounded by aril. So each seed cone or one seed which is 4 to 7 mm surrounded by aril, it contain, that is the arils get matured after 6 to 9 months. So the seed cones, each seed contain or each cone contain one seed which is 4 to 7 mm surrounded by the aril. Arils get matured after 6 to 9 months. Chemical constituent, the main chemical constituent, it is the taxol, which is present in case of all parts of the plant. So taxanes are the most important group of the chemical constituents which is used or and unit. Now 40 different taxanes compounds have been found, all of which are diterpenoid structure. So the main chemical constituent present in case of the taxus, it is a taxols, and combinedly it is called as the taxanes, and there are near about 40 different taxanes compounds have been found, all of which are diterpenoid structure. Among them, three most important are the taxol, cephalomanine, and 10-deacetyl-baccatin are the important taxanes. These are the important taxanes which are present in case of the taxus. In all species, with little variations, taxol occurs from 0.007% to 0.01%. So in all species, it is present in the 0.007 to 0.01% of the taxol has been reported. So mainly it contains the taxol. Along with the taxol, it also contains the cephalomanine and 10-deacetyl-baccatin, which are the important taxanes present in case of the taxus. Uses, it is used as an anti-cancer, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, and anticonvulsant. So it is used as an anti-cancer drug for the treatment of the cancer. It is used widely. It is also reported as an analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, and anticonvulsant. Taxol also inhibit cell migration, thus preventing spread of metastatic cancer cells. So taxols inhibit the cell migration and prevent the spread of the metastatic, so the cancer cells cannot be spread throughout the body. Taxols has been approved by US FDA. It is approved by the US FDA for the treatment of refractory ovarian cancer. So chiefly the drug is used as a cancer, and it is also approved by US FDA for the treatment of refractory ovarian cancer. It has also a promising role against lung carcinoma, gastric and cervical cancers, and also carcinomas of head, neck, prostate, and colon. So it is used widely as an anti-cancer drugs, and it is due to the presence of the chemical constituent, that is the taxol. The synonym is the yew, Talis patra, Himalayan yew or Birmi. Biological source, dried leaves, bark, and the root of the various species of the taxus belonging to family Taxaceae. The different species of the taxus, they are the Taxus baccata, Taxus brevifolia, Taxus canadensis, Taxus cusipide, and the Taxus valicinia. The chemical constant which is present, it contains the taxanes, and the important taxanes, they are the Taxol. Uses: it is used as an anti-cancer, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, and anticonvulsant. It inhibits the cell migration and preventing the spread of metastatic cancer cells. Taxol has been approved by US FDA for the treatment of refractory ovarian cancer. It has also a promising role against the lung cancer, gastric and cervical cancers, and also the carcinomas of head, neck, prostate, and colon. So this is all about the Artemisia and Taxus. Thank you very much.